Don't think what's the cheapest way to do it or what's the fastest way to do it. Think what's the most amazing way to do it. That quote by Richard Branson has been my motto over the past few years, and it really helped me reflect about my life, actually. There are a lot of people who plan their holidays very well, but they don't really spend so much time planning their life. They come up with some New Year's resolution or some great resolutions for their birthday, keep them up for a couple of days, and then get back to their old selves, because when they come up with resolutions, they have great motivation, great intention, but no system, no habits, nothing, no rewards set up for themselves, and no ideas on how to get back on track. So these are the elements you can keep when you want to have more success with your New Year resolution. But I want to give you today an idea, a different idea to reflect about your life, your year, and plan for the next year. It consists of 3 questions. The first question you ask yourself is, what went really well? What are some positive changes? What made this year really great, really amazing? And write those things down. For example, for me, this was completing all the things that I had at the beginning of the year, including a trip to Portugal, which I managed to do with my work colleagues, which made it even more special, visiting my family and spending some time with them, and of course, the speech contest that I organized in my role of president. I shared the story and some pictures in my previous videos. So these were my top highlights, that there could be many, many more if I really sat down and started writing things, but these are the things that came to me right now. The second question is, what would I like to have more of in the next year? And I can tell you, for me, it's definitely about movement. I haven't been doing much sports. I haven't been dancing so much. I've been just working from home and doing some Toastmasters meeting, some of them online, and also started this YouTube channel. So I spend countless hours in front of my computer, and I know the next year I want to be more active, physically active. So this is one of the things that I want to have more of in the next year. And then the third question, what would make the next year amazing? That's a question you can ask yourself. One impulse that I want to give you is something that I learned during my last Toastmasters meeting. A girl told the story of her and her sister coming up with like 20 things for 2020 and then 21 things for 2021. So now there is 2023. She's gonna come up with 23 things, and 23 things is nearly 2 per month. So if you work full-time and are busy, this shouldn't be like your big holiday plans, but something small that will really make this year special. Maybe you eat your favorite cake during your birthday, or make all the gifts for your friends handmade, or make a small change, be more sustainable. This kind of intention is powerful because it changes the way you approach the year and also your habits. So imagine if I have on this list 23 for 23. One of those things is gonna be for me learning a new dance style. And this will make me wanna go dancing, wanna be fit, wanna move. This is different from New Year resolution, which could be hit the gym 5 times a week. And I can already tell you that I'm not gonna do it for more than 2 weeks, because things will get into my way and I have nothing aspirational, nothing that excites me to actually pull this through. And the reward is somewhere in the future. I'm relatively looking okay, so I don't need to think about losing weight, for example, with my fitness routine. So this is not gonna be a strong motivator for me, but learning a new dance style is, and I'm gonna be moving just for that. This is why setting the intentions for the next year, like Richard Branson's quote says, just think what's gonna be the most amazing way to do it. That's the impulse I wanna give you. Remember those 3 questions, you can try them out, write down the things. What made the past year special? What would I like to have more of in the next year? And what is my wish list? 23 of 23. And with that, I wish us all an amazing 2023 and see you next year.